it is a lot like quicksand or molasses.
80,000 years ago. And world-famous Rodeo Drive would have seen very different foot traffic. More than 100 remains of would-be predators. The fierce carnivore called the dire wolf. The dire wolf roamed LA 20,000 years ago. Their teeth could tear apart nearly any creature alive or sized predators hunted in packs. When the wolves come across a creature trapped in the tar, they attack from all sides.
Tearing down a hill after a bison, they would start coming in, they would get stuck, there would be baying and howling. It would be chaos.
A wolf pack, in search of a meal, sinks into the blackness with its intended lunch, buried together for 20,000 years.